If you notice that blue arch starting to turn red on your vacuum, that means your vacuum is sensing a lot more dust, dirt, and debris. This is a mattress vacuum. It sucks up and unalives everything that a regular vacuum leaves behind. The ring starts out as blue, and when it detects mites, it will turn to red. Once that ring goes back to blue, then you know you're good to move to the next spot. But I decided to try this on my dog's favorite spot on our rug, and I'm not kidding you, it sat on red for like at least a minute, which has never happened before. These vacuums use tapping to loosen and suction up dust, mites, and allergens, but whatever it can't dislodge with the tapping, it will unalive through UVC light and heat. Right here is where you're gonna find the UVC light, and then down here is where it's gonna blow out hot air up to 150 degrees. So rest assured, if it didn't suck it up, it at least unalived it for you. 3 out of 4 homes in the United States have mites in their house, and if you have a dog, it's almost a given. So if you need to get rid of the bugs, so if you need a good vacuum that's not gonna break the bank, I'm gonna link this one down below in this video for you guys. If you notice that blue arch starting to turn red on your vacuum, that means your vacuum is sensing a lot more dust, dirt, and debris. This is a mattress vacuum. It sucks up and unalives everything